our channel Meet the Flavors. This is Ishita and he is Rangam, and we both are the face of the Meet the Flavors.
Friends, and today is a very special day of us because today is our second anniversary and we have come here at Aerocity Delhi to celebrate this our second anniversary. And today we are not gonna show you any recipe, but yes, you will experience good flavors of restaurant. This is Andaz Annamaya, and we are gonna give you good reviews about ambience,
About
food and all other things. So let's get started. So guys, I hope you like this glamorous ambience of Andaz Annamaya. This is so photogenic and eye-catching, and there is live music too, and the behavior of the staffs are really appreciable. They are too helpful. Now let's come to the main part, that is food. There are so many options in European menu, but trust me, the desi flavors of Indian cuisine will definitely satisfy your taste buds. So in starter we had 3 veg options and 3 non-veg options, among which we have chosen this chicken reshmi kebab, and this is Amritsari fish tikka, and this veg starter is bharwa shimla mirch with extra cheese on top. And there is plenty options in mocktail too, and this is unlimited, so you can simply choose virgin mojito or fresh lime soda or some fresh juice, or you can order as per your taste in the bar.
So this is a European salad counter. You can see plenty of options are here. You can choose according to your taste, and this is a live counter, so they will make your salad in front of you as per your suggestion. Here you can see different types of breads are there, and each of these have unique taste, and you can try a burger too. So many options are there for the stuffing purpose, but trust me, right now I am so confused what to choose for the stuffing. So after a long dilemma, I have ordered my burger with some chicken tikka, steamed prawn and some extra veggies. And here we have chosen 2 bowls of salad, one with smoked chicken and another one with steamed prawn. And here for the main course, I have tried 2 Italian dishes. The first one is gnocchi, which basically are dumplings pan fried with some extra cheese, and this is the famous lasagna. And Rangam enjoying his favorite chicken biryani with mutton keema matar, and the taste is just really awesome.
And being a dessert lover, this is my favorite portion in buffet, and you can taste each and everything if you come on Sunday brunch, that is specially for buffet, and price will be 2500 plus tax for each person. So you can see there are too many options in dessert, and you can see the variety of flavors available in ice cream section, and our personal favorites are this yogurt, the donuts, it's a must try dish, and the cheesecake. The review of Annamaya, you should come because our overall experience was so nice.
We also want to thank all of you, because
Yes.
without all of your support and love, we can't reach that 1000 subscriber. And
So thank you all.
Obviously, thanks.
And whoever not subscribed our channel so far,
Please go and see
subscribe.
the channel's video and do subscribe our channel.
So
Thank you.
thank you. Keep supporting, keep watching Meet the Flavors.